it's really broken. Fix, 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 let's try again. Make it run like Zoomy train. Wheel is loose, it won't stay on. Try some tape, oh no, it's gone. Spin, 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 it falls again. Uh-oh, uh-oh, try again. Let's use glue, sticky glue. Put it here, not unshoe. Oops, too much, finger stuck. What bad luck. Try a hammer, tap, tap, tap. Oops, too hard, snap, snap, snap. Car went flying, what a mess. This is wrong, I must confess. Use a spoon, no, no, no. That won't help the car to go. Silly ways won't make it right. Let's think smart and try it right. Take a screw and tiny tool. Turn it slow, nice and cool. Twist, 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 not too tight. Now it's fixing just right. Reel is back and sitting strong. Spin it now, it won't go wrong. Round and around it starts to go. Yay, 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 go, go, go. Check the door, open close. Fix it gently, nice and slow. Push it soft, click, 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 click. Now it works super quick. Clean the car, wipe, wipe, wipe. Make it shiny, looking bright. Dust is gone, colors pop. Make it ready, don't you stop. Test the car, push it fast. Zoom, 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 runs at last. Left and right, smooth and free. Happy car for you and me. Oops, it stopped, what's the matter? Check the wheel and tiny axle. Fix it quick, don't delay. Now it's ready, let's go play. Light don't work, let's see why. Check inside and give a try. Click the switch, now it's bright. Shiny light, what a sight. Horn goes beep, 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 beep. Press it once, not too deep. Fix it, solve, don't be rough. Gentle hands are always tough. Now the car is good as new. All fixed up just like we knew. From a mess to superstar, yay, we fixed our broken car.